Listening, fill in the blanks.
Let's start.
Education is the foundation of personal and societal development. Access to quality education empowers individuals and promotes social mobility. Traditional education models are evolving, embracing technology to enhance learning experiences. Online platforms offer flexible learning opportunities, reaching learners worldwide. Lifelong learning is encouraged to adapt to rapid technological advancements and changes in the job market. However, disparities in educational access persist, particularly in underserved communities. Addressing these disparities requires investment in infrastructure, teacher training, and equitable policies.
Travel broadens horizons and enriches experiences, offering opportunities for exploration and cultural exchange. Tourism stimulates economies, supporting local businesses and preserving cultural heritage. However, over-tourism can strain infrastructure and harm fragile ecosystems. Sustainable tourism practices promote responsible travel, minimizing negative impacts on destinations. Adventure tourism appeals to thrill seekers, offering adrenaline-fueled activities in diverse landscapes. Travel technology facilitates trip planning and enhances the travel experience, from booking accommodations to navigating unfamiliar destinations.
Relationships form the fabric of human connection, enriching our lives with love, companionship, and support. Effective communication is the cornerstone of healthy relationships, fostering understanding and trust. Digital communication tools enable instant connection across distances but can sometimes hinder meaningful interactions. Active listening and empathy are essential skills for nurturing relationships and resolving conflicts. Social dynamics shape the way we relate to others, influencing social norms and expectations. Cultivating strong relationships requires time, effort, and mutual respect.
Arts and culture reflect the essence of human creativity and expression, enriching societies with diversity and beauty. Literature, music, visual arts, and performing arts captivate audiences worldwide, transcending language and borders. Cultural heritage preservation ensures that traditions and customs are passed down through generations. Museums, galleries, and theaters serve as venues for artistic appreciation and storytelling. Creative industries drive economic growth and innovation, shaping cultural identities and fostering dialogue. Artistic expression empowers individuals to voice their experiences and perspectives.
Like, share, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon for further updates.